Hi, I'm Jason Morphet with Nations Roofing and Construction. Today what I'd like to do is I'd like to tell you what to be aware of when choosing a roofing contractor. One of the most important things is making sure that they're a state certified roofing contractor and that they're insured. This protects you to make sure that you're getting the right person to do the right job. Number two would be to make sure that they're pulling all the proper permits with either the local city or the county that you're in. This helps make sure that they're bringing the roof and the structure of the roof up to code to make sure that you're getting what you paid for. Third, but not least, is making sure that the contractor is using employees that fall under their workers' comp and their general liability. So you want to make sure that the contractor is state certified, insured, pulling the permits, using employees and not subcontractors. Again, I'm Jason Morphet with Nations Roofing and Construction. We follow all of these regulations and rules to make sure that you get the job done right the first time.